the last video, we made the clouds. So today we're going to make the map. I started out by making the base plate green and by adding like a little peach platform. You can do by getting a cylinder, making it small, and holding shift to make it different sizes. Then I got a dummy and I scaled, and he's scaled, so this is what our players, how big our player is going to be. I also added an invisible spawn location. Now we're going to start on the path. So we're going to get a brick and make it a trail. Like, change the color. Alright, now we're going to drag the dummy out of the way, select everything, and anchor it. I'm just going to make this bigger. Then there's a plugin in the description. It's called Build V4. Press this like double triangle thing, and you'll be able to click, and you can rotate it. This is just how I like to make my paths because it's easy. So select all your path bricks and go to model and union them. And then I'm gonna duplicate it. Control R 2 times and drag it over here. This is gonna be my second pass to the selling place, and this is gonna be the shop. So that's all good. Usually on games, there is a checkerboard on the ground. For example, if I wanted to play Saber Simulator, like one of our simulator games, there should be like a checkerboard on the ground. See here, there's a checkerboard, like where you stand, right over here. You have this checkerboard on the ground for a nice cartoony look. And that looks good. We're going to try to do that too. First, you want to go to the toolbox and change models to images. Then you want to search for checkerboard texture. And then you have a lot of these. I would choose this one, right click it, copy asset ID, go into the base plate, plus texture. And then you're going to want to control V, paste the ID in there. As you see, these are kind of small, and we don't just want some white. So we're going to make this to 6. Yeah, 6 is good. Actually, I think I'll do 9. 9 is good. And then the transparency should be 0.9. That looks good. I'm just gonna copy this texture and drag it into everything. And if it doesn't go, then you can go down here, and this is where it faces. Let's try back, top, and left. Alright, so this for me it's left. And as you see, it's like a nice checkerboard texture. We probably won't need this dummy anymore. Actually, let's make our shops. So add a brick. We won't need the checkerboard texture for this. I'm just gonna scale it like this. I guess I'll make mine I'll make it a yellow. So do that, duplicate it, make it a little bit taller, just like this, and make this one a darker color, and kind of make the edges go out. Then duplicate that one, push it to the ground, control, make this one higher. And that looks good. Now I'm just going to union that, duplicate, drag over here. You can change the colors, you don't have to union it. It's just easier for me because I want to make a quick tutorial. And you could label these, but there's another plugin you could do. It's called 3D text. I'm going to use the 3D text. I'll put it down in the description, make this bright and a nice yellow. You can change the font. It's shop and make it big. You can, I think that's pretty good actually. So I'm just gonna close that off. So that looks good. You can add a door if you like. I'm not going to. For me, that's pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna do the same for this one. And here we go, 3D text. And let's do cell. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time, you can, but that's basically how you make a map. And so far it actually looks pretty good. I should probably add a door here and maybe change the color a little bit. Maybe add more paths, more stores. Maybe you could go like a forest adventure or something while you click and collect coins. I'll probably do that in the next tutorial. And how to sell and how to do a shop. But that's pretty much all for this tutorial. I know it's pretty quick, but yeah. Also go and check out my other videos. I'll probably do another video like making some funny ideas in Roblox Studio, just because I like coding for fun things and not tutorials that much. Bye.